Remember the days of dial-up internet, the screeching sound of the modem connecting, the painfully slow speeds and the constant disconnections, the agonizing wait for a web page to load? It felt like an eternity just to check your email or browse a simple website. We've come a long way since then. The internet has evolved at an astonishing pace, transforming from a luxury to a necessity in our daily lives. Today, high-speed internet is the norm for many. Fiber optic cables and advanced technologies have made it possible to stream videos, play online games, and work remotely with ease, but vast regions of our planet remain underserved. Many rural and remote areas still struggle with limited or no internet access, creating a digital divide. This is where satellite internet enters the picture. By leveraging satellites in space, we can provide internet access to even the most isolated locations. It beams internet access from space, reaching even the most remote corners of the globe. This technology has the potential to bridge the gap and bring connectivity to everyone. Starlink, a project by SpaceX, is at the forefront of this space-based internet revolution. With ambitious plans and cutting-edge technology, they aim to change the way we connect. It is deploying a constellation of thousands of satellites. These satellites work together to create a network that provides high-speed internet across the globe. This promises to bring high-speed internet to everyone, everywhere. No matter where you are, you can have access to fast and reliable internet. Imagine a world where your physical location doesn't dictate your access to information, a world where everyone has the same opportunities to learn, work, and connect, a world where a farmer in rural Kansas has the same internet speeds as a tech entrepreneur in Silicon Valley. This level of connectivity can transform lives and communities. This is the promise of Starlink and the future of satellite internet. It's not just about faster speeds, but about creating a more connected and equitable world. We are on the cusp of a new era of connectivity, an era where the internet is truly global, accessible to everyone, and a driving force for innovation and progress. It will reshape how we live, work, and connect with each other. The possibilities are endless, and the future of the internet is brighter than ever. Traditional satellite internet relies on large geostationary satellites. These orbit Earth at a high altitude, typically around 35,786 kilometers above the equator. This significant distance results in noticeable lag, especially for activities like video calls or online gaming where real-time interaction is crucial. Starlink, a project by SpaceX, takes a different approach to solve this problem. It utilizes a constellation of thousands of small, low-Earth orbit satellites known as LEO satellites. These satellites are much closer to Earth, orbiting at altitudes between 200 to 2,000 kilometers, compared to their geostationary counterparts. This proximity translates to significantly lower latency, making the internet experience much more seamless. Imagine throwing a ball to a friend standing a few feet away versus throwing it to someone miles away. The difference in speed is quite noticeable. The ball will reach your nearby friend much faster, almost instantaneously. This is analogous to how Starlink's low Earth orbit satellites deliver internet data with reduced lag, providing a faster and more reliable connection. This revolutionary approach makes activities like video conferencing and online gaming smoother and more responsive, eliminating the frustrating delays. It's a game changer for satellite internet, paving the way for a new era of connectivity that is faster, more efficient, and more accessible to people around the world. Starlink satellites are relatively small and lightweight. Each satellite weighs approximately 260 kilograms. They are equipped with advanced technology. This includes phased array antennas for high-speed data transmission. These satellites are designed for mass production. This allows SpaceX, Starlink's parent company, to launch them efficiently. Imagine a fleet of minivans, each carrying a massive amount of data, zipping around the Earth. That's essentially what Starlink's constellation of satellites is doing. They are constantly communicating with ground stations and user terminals. This ensures continuous internet coverage across the globe. These satellites are a testament to modern engineering. They are revolutionizing how we access the internet from space. Starlink aims to create an interconnected web of satellites. This will provide global internet coverage even in remote and underserved areas. The system is designed for low latency. This will enable real-time applications like video conferencing and online gaming. Starlink's network architecture also supports edge computing. This means data can be processed closer to users, further reducing latency. Imagine a world where internet access is as ubiquitous as air. That's the vision Starlink is working towards. With its expanding constellation of satellites and strategic ground stations, Starlink is breaking down the digital divide. It is connecting people in even the most isolated corners of the world. This interconnectedness has the potential to foster global collaboration and innovation. Section 5. The space race heats up. Starlink versus the competition. Starlink is not alone in the race to provide space-based internet. Other companies, including OneWeb, HughesNet, Viasat, and Amazon, are also vying for a piece of the sky. Each of these companies has its own strategy and technology to offer. However, Starlink differentiates itself through its massive satellite constellation. With thousands of satellites already in orbit, this allows for greater capacity and lower latency compared to many competitors. The sheer number of satellites ensures that users experience minimal lag, making it ideal for activities like video conferencing and online gaming. The company's vertical integration with SpaceX building and launching the satellites also gives it a significant advantage. Imagine a marathon where one runner has a significant head start. This head start is not just in terms of technology but also in deployment speed and scale. That's akin to Starlink's position in the satellite internet race. The company has managed to deploy satellites at an unprecedented rate. Its early lead in satellite deployment and its focus on low latency have positioned the company as a front-runner. This early advantage is crucial in a market that is rapidly evolving. However, the competition is fierce, and the race to connect the unconnected is far from over. Each competitor is continuously innovating, aiming to close the gap and offer better services. Section 6. Speed and reach. Starlink's performance metrics. Starlink offers internet speeds that rival and in some cases surpass traditional broadband services. Users report download speeds ranging from 50 Mbps to over 200 Mbps. These speeds, combined with low latency, make streaming, gaming, and video conferencing a breeze. Starlink's coverage area is also rapidly expanding. It is currently available in numerous countries across the globe. Imagine downloading a movie in a matter of seconds, even in a remote cabin in the woods. That's the kind of speed Starlink offers. While still in its early stages of deployment, Starlink's performance metrics are impressive. The company continues to improve its service. It is expanding its coverage to reach more users worldwide. Section 7. Joining the Starlink revolution, getting connected. Connecting to Starlink is a relatively straightforward process. Users need to purchase a Starlink kit. This includes a satellite dish and a Wi-Fi router. The dish is self-orienting. It automatically finds the best position to connect to Starlink satellites. Once installed, users can access high-speed internet within minutes. Imagine setting up your internet connection as easily as plugging in a lamp. That's the level of simplicity Starlink aims for. The self-orienting dish eliminates the need for complicated installation procedures. This makes Starlink accessible to a wide range of users, regardless of their technical expertise. Section 8. Weathering the storm. Starlink's performance in tough conditions. Satellite internet services can be affected by weather conditions. However, Starlink's LEO satellites and advanced technology mitigate some of these challenges. The system is designed to operate effectively in most weather conditions. This includes rain, snow, and even cloud cover. Imagine watching your favorite show without interruption, even during a blizzard. Starlink's robust design makes this a reality. While extreme weather events can still pose challenges, Starlink's performance in adverse conditions is generally reliable. This is a significant advantage over traditional satellite internet services. Section 9. The future is bright. Starlink's impact on global connectivity. Starlink has the potential to revolutionize global internet connectivity. Its ambitious plan to provide high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the world. This could bridge the digital divide. It will unlock countless opportunities in education, healthcare, and economic development. The future of Starlink is bright. It is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the internet. Imagine a world where geographical location is no longer a barrier to accessing information, connecting with loved ones, or pursuing one's dreams. This is the future Starlink is building, a future where connectivity is a fundamental right, empowering individuals and communities worldwide.